Here with the 97 Jeep ZJ, and this will be an extremely short reference video for replacing the front wheel hubs, so let's get started. You want to begin by jacking up the front end so that both front tires are off the ground and placing jack stands under the axle. Then remove the tires. You'll need a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts. We need to remove this caliper, and since we have both front tires off the ground, I'm turning the steering wheel to gain better access to the two fasteners located on the backside, and I'm using a 10mm socket for removal. After hanging the caliper out of the way, the rotor just slides off, and the axle nut should be a 36mm, but my aftermarket axle came with a 35mm axle nut. So with the axle nut out of the way, remove the 3 hub fasteners, and you'll need a 12.13mm socket for removal. I'll also be using various length swivel extensions so I can get the job done with my impact wrench. The new wheel hubs are moved, part number 513084, and notice they don't have a grinding marble sound like the old ones do.